Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Assistant settings so you can change the language quickly. From the Google app or by invoking Assistant, tap your profile icon, then choose Assistant settings. Once there, select languages to view current options. Make sure you are signed into the account that controls the device. This avoids switching accounts later. You'll see primary and secondary language slots. We'll update those next, because Assistant uses them to interpret and speak back in the selected languages. Now you pick the exact language and dialect you want. Tap the primary or secondary language slot, then scroll or search to find the language. Pick the dialect if prompted, because pronunciation and regional phrasing differ. Once selected, Assistant will display the new language. If you add a second language, Assistant can understand both without switching, useful for bilingual households. After confirming, exit settings and test a simple query to verify recognition and response in the chosen language. Finish by verifying the change with a few spoken commands so you confirm both comprehension and speech output. If Assistant still responds in the old language, make sure the Google app is updated and restart your device, since caching can delay changes. If problems persist, check your account and region settings, then remove and re-add the language to force a refresh. If all else fails, sign out and back into your Google account. This often resolves sync and permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.